This is the isometric view. It's basically a simulated 3D. It's not actual 3D. It's 2D, which we're trying to make it look 3D. So we need to change a couple settings to get going on this one. So the first thing I can do is I'm going to change this button right here to isometric drafting. Turn that on, and you can see it tilts your cursor and your grid. I'm going to go ahead and change the grid in the snap settings right here, and I'm going to turn on, it's already picked isometric, make sure that's checked, and then I'm going to check right here to turn on dots. I think this is a lot easier to see what you're doing. So it's not a requirement, but it makes it a lot easier for this drawing. Then I'm going to turn on the snap mode, so it's going to jump from one dot to the next. So to draw, you just start and you count your dots. Draw it just like it shows it in the book, so shouldn't have any trouble. Oh, and I might have to turn off object snap. So there's a little, try that again. So I'm not trying to copy one in the book. I'm showing you how it's going to look. And then I have one more thing I want to show you. So you can start to see that starts to look 3D when I connect those up. So it's not real 3D, it's simulated. There, that's not an actual 3D object, but it looks like it is. So then the next part of this, there's some round shapes. So when you draw a circle, normally it's just a flat circle. So that doesn't work for this view. So what we have to do is use an ellipse. So next to ellipse, so find the ellipse button next to it, make sure you pick axis end. And then before you click anything, you have to go down to the bottom and click ISO circle. And then once you do that, then you can draw a circle. And always hit F5 to change your cursor to make sure you're in the right plane. So F5 will let you toggle between the different views, and that works for any of these on this drawing. So then you might have to turn off your snap on and off to get it where you want. And for all the dimensioning on this, you're just going to eyeball it. I want you to just try. I know it's not going to be perfect. We're just doing our best. We're trying to try this out. So the key things to remember there would be to use your F5 on the keyboard. That's going to toggle your cursor, and that works at all times. It toggles between the three different planes, right, top, and left.